nice to see you again. Well, you know that we have been learning about measurement this week. Measurement. So let's take a look at our essential question for today. How can you describe several ways to measure an object? So today we're going to talk about that. What are different ways that we can describe how to measure an object? So let's take a look at our first object. I'm going to show it to you right here. Okay? This is a book. Now, if I wanted to measure this book here, what are some of the ways that you know I could measure it? What if I measured from side to side? When I take a book and I measure from side to side, what am I measuring? That's right, the length of the book. When we measure from side to side, from one side to the other side, we measure the length of an object. So if I drew that, if I wanted to draw that, it would probably look like this. So here's my book, okay? Here's my book. And I want to measure the length of my book, the length. So my line would probably be going here, that way. Length. I'm measuring the length of the book. Remember, a horizontal line to show the length of the book from side to side. Now, what if I wanted to measure this book from top to bottom or bottom to top? If I wanted to measure here, the spine, or from here, top to bottom or bottom top, what am I measuring? That's right. I'm measuring the height. The height. So measuring from top to bottom or bottom to top is the height. Height. So here's my book again. This time my line is going to look a little different. It's not going to be a horizontal line. It's going to be a vertical line. A vertical line, because now I'm measuring the height. Remember how high it is, how tall it is. If I'm measuring the length, it's how long. So the line is horizontal. For height, the line is vertical. Okay, now, if I wanted to measure, okay, how heavy this book is, how heavy, what am I measuring? If I want to know how heavy or light it is. That's right, I'm measuring the weight. The weight. Okay, the weight means how heavy it is. Now remember, if we are talking about length, we are using the words longer or shorter, or how long something is, or how short something is. For height, we're using the word taller or shorter to compare the objects. Okay. For weight, we are using the words heavier or lighter. Okay. Those are the words that we are using when we want to compare or describe different ways of measuring an object. Okay, so it's very important that you take a look at where these lines are, because those are the lines that will show you if you are measuring length or height. Okay, very good, boys and girls. Wonderful job today.